Easy. You guys know who I am. Don't let them little calves freak you out. Hello folks, Jason Crispin here, Grazing Acres Farm. Thought I'd take a few minutes and do a little update on the cattle. Just unrolled them a bale. We're up here on our big hill field. Got a wonderful view up here. Our property stops right here at this fence, but wonderful view. Anyway, just unrolled this bale for the cows. They're all kind of quiet this morning as they're eating their breakfast, but everybody looks really good, as you can see. There's one of my bull calves right there, a May calf. What number is you? 16. You're a little short thing. That's probably about a June calf, somewhere right in that area. There's 20, and then we had a big gap. Didn't have any calves until what, two and a half months ago they started finishing up. But anyway, everybody looks really good. Here's some of the late ones. 25, 22, and that little guy over there, or girl. They're all doing really well though. I've got about a week, maybe 2 weeks, and I'm going to start weaning some of these older calves all the way up to number 20 that I just showed you there. So it's going to be 20 calves from the guy I manage for, which are the white tag calves. The orange tagged ones are mine, and well, they were. That orange tagged one there I just sold to him. I think there's 3 of them I just sold him. So the steers, some of the older calves, the bull, they'll all be getting separated out, and we'll be doing some fence line weaning. Easy, big girl. Easy does it. Everybody's doing real well. Nice to have some frozen ground still. It started to get muddy with this sun busting out every day. I'm glad to see it. It's rather encouraging to see the sun, but wish it could hold off till I get morning chores done. I know, that's kind of being picky. These little low-lying calves are cute. They're cute. This orange tag one here is all Pharo. That's one of my bull calves. I'll be selling probably about June. Huh? Good looking boy. April calf. This red cow right here is his mama. Right, Millie? A good looking boy there's yours, isn't he? Millie? I guess this is my girl right here, little D. Yep, that's D. How you doing, D? That's the other steer I just sold. Everybody just mobbed in here, and there's another steer I sold. So there's the 3 steers I sold. But everybody's doing real good. Just wanted to do a quick video, give an overview of everybody, and let you all know when I go to start sorting and weaning, I will be making a video. So make sure you keep an eye open for that. Tell everybody good morning. Say good morning, folks. I know, you're busy eating breakfast. Have a good day, folks. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching Grazing Acres Farm.